3D printing by Justin Wong. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a manufacturing process based on a digital file design. It's also an additive process of laying down thin layers of materials until the design is finished. How it works. A slicing program. The slicing program directs the machine to the correct XYZ coordinate to lay down the layers. So it formats it and sets it up for the layers and design. The fused deposition method, FDM, or fused filament fabrication, FFF, are types of 3D printers that allow for intricate designs, customizability, less waste, and a faster build for prototypes. The 3D printers use a 3D plastic filament. FDM or FFF printers use either biodegradable or oil-based filament reels of thermoplastic that is malleable when heated. PLA is biodegradable and ABS is oil-based. The types, there are different types. There's FDM or FFF, an additive manufacturing technology used for modeling, prototyping, and production application. Stereolithography, which uses a vat of liquid UV curable photopolymer resin and a UV laser to build parts a layer at a time. There's also selective laser sintering, which uses a high-power laser to fuse small particles of plastic, metal, ceramic, or glass powders into a mass. Overall, they all end up creating the design from the file. CAD to 3D print. CAD is computer-assisted design, which helps create models to be converted into standard tessellation language, or STL files, basically creating a 3D model for the printer to create. The file tessellates or divides the surfaces into little triangles to make the three-dimensional object. The applications of 3D printing include prototyping, modeling, making custom parts, design, and research. The sustainability includes it can be done without harmful chemicals, there's little waste, no lubricant is required, and you can create replacement parts. What I find most interesting is the creative possibilities of design when using a 3D printer and the ability to create those designs and have little waste and be really efficient in creating prototypes. Areas around me with access to 3D printer I found was a nearby library, ARC, Protoprint, Advanced World Printing, and Inception. Those are all buildings where I can go to and request access to print things.